Does your paycheck vanish before you even realize it? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you a simple budgeting method that gives every dollar a job, and puts you back in control. Zero-based budgeting means your income minus your expenses equals zero. Not because you're broke, but because every dollar is assigned a purpose. Whether it's rent, savings, or your Spotify subscription, nothing is left floating. 1. List your monthly income, salary, freelance gigs, side hustles, total it all. 2. Track your expenses, fixed, rent, utilities, insurance, variable, groceries, transport, entertainment. 3. Assign every dollar a job, budget for savings, debt repayment, and even fun money. 5. Adjust monthly, life changes, so should your budget. Rebalance as needed. Let's say you earn $3,500 a month. You'd allocate it like this: rent, $1,200, groceries, $400, transport, $250, savings, $300, emergency fund, $200, entertainment, $150, debt repayment, $500, miscellaneous, $500, until every dollar is accounted for. This method helps you avoid impulse spending, build savings faster, and make smarter money decisions. It's budgeting with intention, not restriction. $1 a job. Hit subscribe and join me for more smart money moves. Next up, how to build an emergency fund without cutting your lifestyle.